Investing your hard-earned money wisely is a crucial step towards financial freedom. In this video, we'll reveal 5 incredible assets that not only outperform cash but also act as a shield to protect your wealth from the volatile market. Please hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. So, let's dive right in. Number 1. Real estate. Not only does real estate offer financial benefits, but it also provides a sense of security. Unlike volatile stock markets, real estate tends to be more stable and less prone to drastic fluctuations. Additionally, real estate investment allows for leverage, meaning you can use borrowed funds to purchase properties and increase your potential returns. Moreover, real estate offers various investment strategies, such as fix and flip, buy and hold, or even real estate investment trusts, also known as REITs for those seeking a more passive approach. The key is to conduct thorough market research, assess the property's potential, and consider factors like location, demographics, and rental demand. Remember, real estate is a tangible asset that you can physically see and touch. It provides a sense of control and security, making it an excellent choice for long-term wealth preservation and growth. Number 2. Stocks and dividends. Investing in stocks offers a unique opportunity to participate in the success of well-established companies. By becoming a shareholder, you not only benefit from potential capital appreciation but also from dividends, a share of the company's profits distributed to shareholders. The modern era has made stock market investing more accessible than ever. With online brokerage platforms and mobile apps, you can easily buy and sell stocks with just a few clicks. Whether you choose to invest in individual companies based on your research or prefer a diversified approach through mutual funds or ETFs, the key is to create a balanced portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and investment goals. The magic of compounding comes into play when you reinvest your dividends back into your portfolio. Over time, this can exponentially increase your returns as you earn returns on your initial investment, as well as on the reinvested dividends. Remember, investing in stocks comes with risks, so it's important to do your due diligence, stay informed about market trends, and consider seeking advice from financial professionals when needed. Number 3. Precious metals. Precious metals have a long history of being regarded as a safe haven during turbulent times. Gold, silver, platinum, and other precious metals have inherent value and are often seen as a store of wealth. When economic uncertainties arise, investors turn to these metals as a means of preserving their purchasing power. One of the key advantages of precious metals is their ability to act as a hedge against inflation. As the value of fiat currencies fluctuates, precious metals tend to hold their value or even appreciate. This makes them a valuable addition to an investment portfolio, as they can provide stability when other assets experience volatility. In addition to their financial benefits, owning precious metals can be emotionally rewarding. The gleam of gold and the allure of silver hold a timeless appeal. Whether it's a gold coin, a silver bar, or a platinum piece, these physical assets provide a tangible sense of security and wealth. While investing in precious metals can be advantageous, it's important to remember that they come with their own risks and considerations. Factors such as market demand, global economic conditions, and geopolitical events can influence their prices. Therefore, it's wise to diversify your investments and consult with experts to make informed decisions regarding the allocation of precious metals in your portfolio. Overall, precious metals offer investors a tangible and historically proven asset class that can act as a safeguard for wealth during uncertain times, providing both financial and emotional benefits. 4. Cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the financial landscape, offering a decentralized and borderless alternative to traditional currencies. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other digital currencies have garnered significant attention and gained remarkable popularity in recent years. Investing in cryptocurrencies presents a unique opportunity for potential high-growth returns. The market has witnessed early adopters who invested in cryptocurrencies when they were in their infancy, and they have since become millionaires. However, it's crucial to approach cryptocurrency investments with caution and conduct thorough research. Cryptocurrencies come with their own set of risks. The market can be highly volatile, with prices experiencing significant fluctuations. Regulatory changes, security concerns, and market sentiment can all impact the value of cryptocurrencies. Therefore, it's important to stay informed, understand the technology behind cryptocurrencies, and invest responsibly within your risk tolerance. 5. Alternative investments. Alternative investments offer investors a way to diversify their portfolios beyond traditional asset classes. Hedge funds, private equity, and venture capital are examples of alternative investments that provide access to unique investment strategies and opportunities. These investments often require a higher level of expertise and understanding, as well as a larger capital commitment. Additionally, alternative investments extend beyond financial assets and include tangible collectibles such as art, wine, and classic cars. These items can appreciate in value over time and offer the potential for substantial returns. However, investing in collectibles requires deep knowledge of the specific market, authentication processes, and ongoing maintenance. When considering alternative investments, it is essential to work with professionals who specialize in these areas. They can provide valuable insights, guidance, and access to opportunities that may not be readily available to individual investors. Alternative investments can offer diversification benefits and the potential for high returns, but they also come with their own risks. Investors should carefully assess their risk tolerance, conduct thorough due diligence, and seek professional advice to make informed decisions in this complex and specialized area of investing. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible assets that outperform cash and shield your wealth. Remember, diversification is key when building a robust investment portfolio. Explore these options, do thorough research, and consult with financial advisors to make informed decisions. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about smart investing and wealth protection, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any future episodes. Until next time, stay financially savvy and make your money work for you.